Hello everyone! Today I have a review of another pocket knife from the Polish company OSKARD, model NK308, also commonly called Sapper pocket knife. Total length is 22.7 cm, blade length is 9.7 cm, blade thickness is 2 mm. The steel of the blade is X50 CR 15. It is a German stainless steel with high corrosion resistance, tempered between 55-57 HRC, high gloss finish, full flat grind. The inscription on the blade made in Poland, opening with a nail nick, back lock. It works well in my knife. You have to use a little bit force to fold the knife, but not too much. There has to be some resistance. I like this sound during closing. The handle scales are made of smooth textulite. Comparing it to the old Gerlach Sapper pocket knife, the material here is a little bit brighter. If I remember correctly, it also had rounded edges of the handle. They are not rounded here, but I can say that they are sharp and hurt the hands. It's okay, really. Many people complain that it's a big knife. Well, it is, but as the name Sapper suggests, it was intended primarily for sappers. The bigger handle is intended to make it easier for a soldier to operate with this knife, with gloves, and generally in more difficult conditions. But I don't mind it. I also prefer thicker handles because they are simply more secure in the grip. Brass rivets. They are nicely bolted, nothing sticks out or catches. This eyelet is also different than in the old Gerlach, but I don't think it's bad. It's not sharp, so you can easily thread a paracord through it. In summary, probably the most Polish knife I know. Do I recommend this pocket knife? Of course, why not? If not for use, it's worth to have one in your collection. It's a flagship, even legendary Polish pocket knife. It's also not too expensive. It's a larger pocket knife. Some call it a giant, but it fits in my hand perfectly. I like it. It is undeniably inscribed in the history of Polish knife craftsmanship. So for that reason it deserves appreciation. So absolutely I recommend it. That's all of this review, thanks for watching.